Hello friends. In this video we will learn how to find out internal rate of return. There are two ways of finding it. Firstly, if the cash flows are at regular intervals. See, here the cash flows are at a regular interval of 1 year. The negative cash flow represents cash outflow while positive cash flow represents cash inflow. Check the screen carefully. Select the range of cash flows. Since the data represents annual cash flow, that is, the cash flow are at a regular interval of 1 year, the resultant rate of return also is in per annum. Suppose the cash flows are at a regular interval of say 1 month, the internal rate of return will be per month. For those who don't know, internal rate of return is the discount rate that makes the net present value of all cash flows from a particular project equal to 0. Now let us see how to find out internal rate of return when the cash flows do not happen at regular intervals but at some specific dates. See, here the cash flows occurs at some specific dates and unlike the previous case, the interval between the cash flows are not regular. In such cases we use the function Xirr. First, we will select the cash flow range. Then, we will select the date range. Remember, for the function Xirr, the internal rate of return is always per annum. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more videos on Excel tricks.